Another day, another dollar. Kelly Price ain't get more money, more problems. Excuses won't help and complaining won't solve it. So the studio done became a home office. Word then, word some more, the shit's revolving. And a break of caution though, I'm exhausted. I just read an internet comment that said I lost it. And that's why they don't let passengers in the cockpit. Cause once you hit a lick of turbulence, I bet you panic. And fly shit don't mean shit if you can't land it. The scars I've endured, you can't suture or bandage. I'm Dominic Toretto for my family. Damn it, I wish I could chill with my babies in the hammock and take a day off. Now all the bills is outstanding, but I'ma get a stool. It's time for a change, like when the line in the center of the pamper turned blue. More money, more stress, feeling like the last real nigga left. Ready to die for my respect, feeling like the last real nigga left. Grinding to my last breath, feeling like the last real nigga left. The last real nigga left.